We're now going to have breakfast. The restaurant is spelled as Nava, but they call it Now. Say good morning. Wancho, be careful dito ha. Baka madapa ka, Wancho. And then guys, here, pwede kayong mag-lounge here. Later, magsiswim kami. Punta lang tayo ngayon sa breakfast restaurant. Let's go! Ang ganda-ganda guys, here at Nawa. We're gonna eat! Yay! This is the restaurant. Ang ganda ng Nawa. Watch a look ang bird oh. Is this part of the buffet? Ah, part of the buffet. Thank you. Yep. Thank you. Table for 5. All right. Thank you so much. Can you set up another plate, please? Okay. Thank you. Can I get one? I'll get one, but not too spicy, please. Yay. Oh, that's looking good. Magsaswim na sila. Ayun na.
Since ang trip na ito ay kasama ko ang aking family, binabagay ko syempre ang aking itinerary sa mga kasama ko. So for this trip, I didn't load it with variety, meaning it's less hectic, but it has more depth kasi we try to enjoy every place we go to. kami naman when we go to a foreign country, hindi naman kami usually pumupunta doon to swim eh. Usually for sightseeing yun. But here, while hindi swimming ang ipinunta namin dito, but since we really want to go in-depth doon sa experience sa Salil Hotel, we allotted time for swimming. At saka ito rin naman kasi ang gustong gawin ng aking anak. Tapos isa rin naman sa main feature ng Salil ang kanilang swimming pool. And I must say, ang ganda-ganda talaga. So kahit siguro wala sa plano namin na mag-swim, mapapaswim pa rin talaga kami. In the meantime, I'm showing you around Salil grounds during the day. It's a 5-star boutique hotel, guys. The service is personalized and intimate, unlike doon sa usual experience in a typical 5-star hotel chain. Now, I'll show you the restos and shops around the pool area, guys. Marami pang restaurants dito sa Salil ha, but I'll only show those around the pool area. Like this morning, andun kami sa Nawa, tapos last night, nag-nightcap kami sa tap room, andun sila sa may riverside. So, hindi ko na sila isasama sa vlog na ito. Ganun din yung ibang restaurants, guys, na wala sa may pool area. Like for example, yung Japanese resto, wala sila sa vlog na ito. You'll probably ask kung open ba ito sa mga non-checked-in guests. Yes, guys, open ang mga restaurants and shops dito sa Salil for non-checked-in guests, but you need to make a reservation. That's the only way they will allow you to come in if may valid reservation kayo. And if may valid reservation naman kayo, guys, for example, nasa Icon Siam kayo or doon naman kayo babalik sa Icon Siam, you can avail of the free boat shuttle service ng Salil Hotel. As long as ang biyahe nyo, guys, ay within their operating hours, they will look for a confirmed reservation ha before kayo makasakay sa free boat shuttle. So kanina nga, guys, ipinapakita ko sa inyo ang kanilang poolside bar and cafe called Bricks, at ngayon naman ay ito ang kanilang gelateria. Hindi ko na-try ang kanilang gelato, but I heard that their camembert cheese gelato is so delicious. Now, pasok naman tayo, guys, sa kanilang scent shop called Car Market. Mahilig ako sa niche fragrances, kaya excited ako nung nakita ko to. Pero kanina nung nagtanong ako, wala naman pala silang perfume. What they have are room scents, linen and fabric perfumes, diffusers and candles, pati mga hand wash and lotion, pati na rin pure essential oils. Guys, ang bango-bango ha, lalo na yung bergamot. Very classy and elegant yung mga scents nila. Pero guys, wala akong nabili kahit isa. May kamahalan ng kanilang mga products ha. Kaya naisip ko, doon na lang ako sa Korea bibili ng mga perfumes at saka ng mga room scents, ganyan, pagbalik ko doon. Anyways, I'm going back to the room to change. Tapos na sila mag-swimming, guys, and we're going to have a quick run to One Bangkok. We're at the lobby, guys. We're just waiting for Grab.
Ito yung kanilang spa. And talagang ang gaganda ng mga products nila, oh. Puro Harn products. 2 minutes more. Hi. Morning. Just waiting for our Grab. Yes, this is our Grab taxi.
How many persons? Just 2?
5.
Oh, 5.
Yeah, 5. I'll just take the other one. Yay, guys.
So, connect natin sa...
Yay. Saan tayo punta?
Hamonan.
One Bangkok first. Let's go to One Bangkok and have lunch. And then Harborland. Let's go inside. We have tempura. We are going to eat first, guys. Guys, tingnan nyo, laki-laki ng Nitori dito. Ayan o, Nitori. So anyways, guys, dito sa ilalim ng One Bangkok. I'm not sure kung napakita ko na dun sa previous vlog ko. It's like parang puro Japanese. So you'll see Nitori. Meron din dito Muji. Halos lahat dito Japanese. Ayan, dito tayo sa Yakiniku. Like, tingnan natin baka may pwedeng makain dito si Wancho. If not, come here, let's take a look. Tanong mo, baka may karaage? Kasi kung may karaage, bibili ko na lang siya. And then, dito tayo sa kabila, Yakiniku Life.
So guys, ang ending namin ay sa KFC kami kumain. Bawal kasi magdala ng food from other resto sa loob ng Yakiniku. Like, wala namang gusto yung anak ko sa menu doon. So ang ending, nag-decide na lang kami na wag na lang sa Yakiniku like mag-lunch. Now we're walking here sa basement 1 and aakyat tayo sa Harborland at the 5th floor. Madalas siya nang makita ang Harborland dito sa vlog namin sa Bangkok kasi favorite yan ng anak ko. If you are bringing your kids to Bangkok, dalhin nyo guys sa Harborland kasi for sure mag-e-enjoy sila rito. So here nga pala guys, sa Harborland, you can pay your tickets doon sa counter or you can use the machine.
So guys, ito siya. One child and one parent, 880. They have socks na guys. Guys, kahapon nung nag-Harborland kami in Icon Siam, we also paid for 2 pairs of socks. Kahit even if we already have socks with anti-skid feature, but you still have to buy the Harborland socks. Ngayon, hindi na kami bumili kasi meron na kaming socks from yesterday. So yesterday, when we went to Harborland in Icon Siam, it was more expensive than the entrance fee today. Yes, my son is excited. Let's go! Oh, I'm back here in Benlai and titingnan ulit tayo guys sa mga damit. Kasi favorite ko talaga dito sa Bangkok. This exact one guys. Ito yung suot ko. Tingin tayo. Tingnan nyo to. Naka-sale to. 40 off pag 5. Tapos 30 pag 3. Ang ganda. I swear guys, it's a really nice. Tingnan mo. Super nice. Nice. Ito. That's nice guys. So, kulang araw mo dito. So, pasok natin sa ating shopping bag. Ito mga kids na dito. Mga kids guys, ang daming magagandang damit dito. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 5. Every time I go to Bangkok, I would buy. I'm done with shopping. I got 5 items ngayon. Diyos ko, ang gulo ng buhok ko, kakasukat ko. Si big winner number 2. Mga big winners. Nahawak naman ako, B. Doon nga tayo dumaan, B. Doon tayo dumaan. Para makita natin.
We're here at the Japanese drugstore to buy some hair products pero na-distract ako nitong Radiolite guys. So binili ko to pang under eye siya na parang patch guys. Huwag kayo mabubudol, hindi maganda. I also got this hair mascara pang cover ng white hair.
Color niya is brown. Brown siya. Dark brown. Nail clipper. Let's buy this. Ganda yung nail clipper niya. 60. I'll get one for this one. Haribo Cold Bears. Now, what are these? Dried fish skin. Ano pa nandito? Tingnan tayo ng mga mango candy. Ano pa? Ah, this one. $110. Thank you. Thank you.
Now I'm done guys. Babalik na ulit ako sa 5th floor. Susunduin ko yung anak ko. Sakto tapos na rin siya sa Harborland eh. And then we're gonna go back to the hotel para makalipat na tayo sa Asiatique. Malapit lang itong Asiatique sa Salil guys, less than 700 meters but sobrang init kasi and may kasama kaming kid and senior citizen kaya nag-grab na lang kami papunta dito. Alam nyo ba guys na dito sa Bangkok ngayon ay 7:21 PM na pero maliwanag pa and napakainit pa rin. Kapala guys, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Asiatique, magandang pumunta dito ng mga ganitong oras and papunta sa late evening para mas presko ng konti and maganda rin kasi yung ilaw dito sa gabi. Night market ito eh.
Kakain muna tayo ng dinner at Peppery Thai and then ikot tayo sa Changi. Doon natin kung ano yung mga mabibili dito in Asiatique. And eto na, Peppery Thai. This is it.
Hello, Sawadee Krap.
5
Okay. Satu, dua, tiga. This one can you do?
Okay, yeah, can.
Where are you from? No.
Philippines.
A little bit. Okay. Salamat.
Okay, thank you. Guys, sobrang daming masarap dito. Ito gusto kong subukan yung pampano nila na ganyan. Ito kami ngayon sa Peppery Thai restaurant here in Asiatic. And nag-order kami ng, medyo naparami at order ko, pero mukhang kaya naman kasi 5 kaming kakain. So we ordered isang chicken dish, isang prawn, isang fish, isang crab, and isang pork dish. Tapos yon, plain rice lang. Pag fried rice na malasa din, hindi mo rin matikman ng ayos yung lasa ng ibang ulam. Kaya plain rice lang kami. And their specialty dito is the chatrap. Yung parang cha nila, the iced milk tea. So yon. That's it. I'll show you what we ordered later.
Ito na ang ating Thai iced milk tea. Specialty nila to guys here.
What can you say, Wacho?
Masarap. Guys, Thai iced tea rin ito ha, pero hindi milk tea, but Thai iced lemon tea. And ito na yung iba naming in-order. Ito yung grilled pork at saka yung crab omelette. Ito naman guys, ang stir-fried prawn with basil.
French fries for the little boy. Wala pa yung ating fried chicken and fish. No? That's it. Fried chicken and fish na lang.
Ito na guys, ang ating soy polo chicken at ang ating fried sea bass na may kasamang mango ensalada. Ayan, kain na tayo guys!
We're ready to eat. Okay? Kuha tayo nating rice. Dami natin ulam. Dami kong ulam na binili. Pork. Masarap. Malambot. Guys, this is the shrimp. Shrimp with basil. Masarap. Yung omelette niya dito is parang J5 type of omelette. Hindi siya yung parang omelette ng Baan Ice. Pero pareho silang masarap. This is the pork one. So good. Ano to? Guys, this is the fried sea bass. Tapos yung sausawan niya is yung parang green na chili na maanghang at saka mango. Mango salad. Sarap ng fish. Lalo na pag mayroong mango ensalada. So yun guys, enjoy muna namin yung food. Ha? I'll see you guys later. We just finished our dinner and papakita ko sa inyo guys kung gaano karami nakain namin. Diyan na! Guys, ubos! Ubos! Simut sarap! Ito na lang natira. Konting-konting fish. Sobrang dami naman kasi namin nakain, guys. Busog, ubot.
Vlog po.
Ano?
Pag nag-vlog si Sir, ang intro niya. What's up guys? Another day, another fish.
Ano? Yan ang saya. si mother. Ay, yung beshi.
Another day, another time.
Another pasma. Natawa na. Kaya natatawa kasi sabi nung waiter, sabi niya sabi ng waiter muna. Basta thank you sa pagpunta. Sabi, thank you, kabuka. Thank you sa pagpunta. Ay nako guys, it's a joke. It's 1,590. Ang ganda! Where? Balis ka daw kung di ka bibili. Walang bibili sa'yo, te. Nag-iisip pa lang kami kung hindi bibili. Please walk, umalis daw. Tingnan nyo guys, wala naman tumitigil dun sa tindahan niya. Chuancho kaya gusto niyo dyan. So guys, ito yung tickets. So yan guys, sakay kayo dyan. Horror siya. Lakad muna tayo papunta sa hotel. There's Butrium. Wow! Guys, ito ang Butrium.
If napanood yung isang vlog ko about Eve and Boy, that one and Butrium are parang Oliviang ng Korea guys.
So yun guys, lakad-lakad tayo pauwi sa Salil Hotel from Asiatic. 600 meters lang naman yun guys. And busog naman tayo. Kaya maglakad na lang tayo. So yun. Yun guys. After walking for mga 10 to mga 11 minutes. Sabihin natin 15 kasi buduman pa kami sa may 7-Eleven. Dito na kami sa Salil. Mainit lang kaya para akong hulas na hulas. Pero nakaka-exercise here.
I'll be ending the vlog here. I just want to say thank you for watching, especially if you reach this point. Let's go to Terminal 21 in the next vlog and I'll show you the departures at Don Mueang Airport. See you in the next one. Bye!